We're back in the kitchen with Hy-Vee dietitian Kaiti George. This already looks good.
It is so easy. I know. I love coming into soup season because I'm a soup girl. I love it, love it, love it. And I actually just have ingredients that I'll be making this for my family. And it is so easy. So you can do it on the stovetop, which we're doing today. Yeah. Crock pot is how I usually do it. But we're going to start off with just about a pound-ish of diced shredded chicken. And if you do this in the crock pot, you just throw the frozen chicken breasts in, which makes it easier, but we're gonna do it on the stovetop today. And so I'm gonna get the heat rolling here. So into your pot is gonna be just about a pound, pound and a half of chicken. From here, it is a dump, dump,
Love
dump.
it. Yep.
Minimal. Yes, minimal measure. So this is a chicken taco chili. You can make this as thick or as liquidy as you want. My kids love it to just kind of use it as a chip dip. I love soup, so I like to make it a little bit more liquidy. But we are going to use a can of the mild green chilies. This adds flavor but no heat. And so some people get very jammed up about chilies. Like, this is not hot by any means. So 1 can of the green chilies. We're going to use 1 can of enchilada sauce. So that's going to add some great spice. We are also going to add a can of corn. So again, dump, dump, dump. We are gonna, I'm just grabbing as we go, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna add some of our squeezy garlic, and that is going to be 1, that is going to be 2 right there. We've got that. And what else do we got? We're going to add petite diced tomatoes. So this is my ticket with my children. They can find a tomato in anything that a tomato. I don't know why they're so anti-tomatoes, but these petite ones are
fine.
Yes, they're a lot, they're just a lot smaller, and they are totally going to be okay with the petite diced tomatoes.
Yeah, they almost look like salsa.
Exactly. I just have to be very selective about that.
Sneak those tomatoes in.
Exactly. We are going to add some chicken broth, and this is where you make it as saucy or as liquidy as you want. So we're going to add 1 and or 2 of these, whatever you want. And then we're going to add many of those Mexican seasonings or flares. So we're going to add some chili powder. Again, ish. We are going to add some cumin, and cumin makes a great little flavor. Definitely takes it up a notch. So we're going to add some cumin. We are going to add some pepper. And then we're finally going to add some salt. And really, with many of the canned items, I don't know if you really need salt. You can add it, you don't have to add it, but just a dash. I've used a lot of the no salt added canned items, so that will save you some milligrams of salt if that's something that you're looking for. And literally stir it together. Let the flavors mesh together. It is so easy to do. I love to serve this with tortilla chips. So these are my tortilla chips of, these are the kind that I like and I recommend. These are from our health market. These are one of the lower sodium chip options that you have, but these work great as a side dish with your chicken taco chili or your chicken enchilada chili, whichever you want to call it. If you are a bean fan, add some beans if you want. This is so customizable and so easy to do. I love to put it in the crock pot. Stovetop works. Literally heat and go. That's all it is. So easy.
I would look forward to smelling that throughout the day in the crock pot.
I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It is a great recipe.
All right, another option. We'll have that recipe on our page, Nebraska.tv. We'll be right back.